swear I just saw that dog just picked up a slice of pizza. It's still in like some kind of wrapper out of this pizza box. I just walked up here. I've never seen that dog before. Oh, he's eating. Or she. Back. Come on. Go ahead. Go. Get the pizza. He got more pizza! He took the whole box! Oh my goodness. Hey, that's a smart dog. I should have got that pizza first. Went over to his favorite spot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Don't look at me, go ahead and eat. Oh, he's trying to open it. You got it. Got him. Y'all missed it. The dog was just rolling around having fun. That's the life. Just sitting around eating pizza. Not even paying for it. Bye-bye.